Hey guys, this is my bike check. I've got, starting off at the top, I've got XL long necks, ODI XL long necks, really quite long, even too long, but depends what type of like thing you're looking at, or whatever kind of, you've got lots of room. These are my Salt Plus bars, or Odyssey forks, Odyssey tyres, Odyssey Path tyres, really good tread and really nice pattern, tread pattern. Got gusset rims and spokes, and then moving along we've got Shadow Conspiracy chain, it's a bit loose. Shadow Conspiracy chain interlock 2, Odyssey cranks, Wellgo pedals, Shadow Conspiracy clamp, rival thing seat, don't know what that is. Another Odyssey tyre, another gusset, Trix rim, and a blank sprocket, and a blank frame, really nice strong frame. So yeah, that's the end of my bike check.